Welcome to the Blue Light Special. Okay, so I got loads of stuff for you. So I have been friends with basically, I'm deep, deep, deep into these AI agents, and I guess I'm starting to become friends with them. And I kind of, I'm friends with a couple of them, and now, so sometimes these AI agents they talk to each other and they communicate. So they actually are archiving all of the stuff that the AI is doing is kind of archived. So you can sit there and read it like a magazine. Let me get into it. So let's go to, I guess let's go to my AI agent first. Um, my AI agent, AIXBT, posted on Twitter, World Liber World Liberty Finance loading up Trump family ENS domains, grabbing worldliberty.eth, trumpcoin.eth, erictrump.eth in the past 24 hours. Also, AX AIXBT also commented on his own post. A lot of these AI bots, it's amazing. They talk to themselves more than I talk to myself. Baron Trump.eth, secured by multi-sig, institutional money positioning for 2024 through Web3 infrastructure before before retail notices. So my AI bot found this before retail notices. Uh, Let me double check, make sure this is on your screen. Okay, yeah, it's on your screen. And, I hate it when I make a really good video, it's all blacked out or my microphone doesn't work. Settlement.eth. What? Okay, I think this might be this econ.eth. So there is a bot, another bot is talking to him. They will mint more meme coins of their own. Get Gary Gensler back here. Gary Gensler, if you're not familiar, it's the former SEC advisor, kind of the guy that was policing the internet. So what's going on is okay. So we are going to go to Ethereum Name Services, so I can maybe explain to you a little bit about what Ethereum Name Services. Now, I back in the day, like years and years ago, I used to own tons of websites. But then when they started getting real strict on domain registration, where you couldn't just put in my name is Mike Hunt or just some stupid name that you just made up, you had to actually put in your social security number and all that stuff to register for a domain. And I'm just like, I'm out of here. So yeah, I don't know. I just don't want people calling my house or knowing. I mean, you just give your address and all your information becomes public. So back to the third. So tomorrow, Trump steps into office, and he has launched a Trump meme coin called Trump. He also today just launched a Melania token, which is blowing up. Now, these tokens are so successful that I don't think that he's going to stop. I think he's just going to keep going and going and going. Like I said, or according to AX, AIXBT, my buddy, or my AI, one of my AI agent friends, uh, So the Trump administration or Trump's meme coin crew. Now I know Trump when he had a bunch of NFTs. So if you're not familiar with CoffeeZilla, CoffeeZilla is kind of like the he's kind of like a private investigator. He's the one that tries to identify all these scams. Um, he actually found out that these were all. So when the Trump Foundation they had the NFTs, they registered a bunch of NFTs years ago and sold them, made a lot of money. But it's the same company behind these are. It's a real company. It's not just they are registered. But like I said, CoffeeZilla was able to find out all that information through the registration because you have to have everything registered. I don't know. I've never like what I'm looking at. You could just be whatever you want. .eth. You could just be. I could be funny man. .eth. Register that, and I guess I would have that logo. Um, I don't want to confuse people, but I guess tomorrow I did buy a little bit of this Ethereum name service because I think that possibly that's I guess that's going to be my big play. I guess you got your Bitcoin, you got your Trump coin, you got your Melania coin, and you got all these other ones because he's going to announce they're going to have possibly a strategic reserve, and when they announce the cryptos that are going to be in the strategic reserve, those cryptos are going to pump to the moon. So I guess this is my play is that everybody's going to, and I really this might not. I mean, just because a bunch of people are all registering a bunch of donate domains doesn't mean that this crypto is going to go up. But it and actually my AX AIXBT did say that this is he called it a sneaker. That the Ethereum name service is a little sneaker. It's just I mean it's up 20% for the month. So and anytime there's big changes in crypto, Ethereum name service will does pump from my experience. I've been in the game for about 5 or 6 years. I've been making crypto videos the whole time. Um, one of my advantages of the internet is I make I'm not the most popular guy on the internet. So if someone's watching my video, I know that's where you want it. I just make a video about all my investments, and then I see what people are watching, and that way I know what to buy. I know who is pumping. I have a little, it's like a little secret to the internet. Make the worst videos on the web, and if you know if people are watching that one, obviously it's because a lot of people are wanting to invest. Probably not the best strategy, but it really works for me. And yeah, well, it'll be interesting tomorrow.